I cannot tell you how important your right to remain silent is. Under the Fifth Amendment, you're never required to incriminate yourself. You don't have to talk to anyone unless you're compelled by a judge or you have some grant of immunity. And I've never dealt with those kinds of situations in all the time I've dealt with the criminal law. What you need to do before you say anything to anybody is to talk to an attorney. If you say something to anyone about your situation, particularly law enforcement, you can give the wrong answer to a question you misperceived. You can have someone say something you didn't say. But if you say, I am not going to make any statements, I'm going to talk to my lawyer, that's it. You can't be questioned further, interview over, and people are like, well, I think I can talk my way out of a situation. Remember, if you say anything that's misperceived or the officer says you said something and you have no attorney present, nothing recorded, which typically it's not, and it ends up being spun against you, you may very well be prosecuted, go to jail, lose property, whatever it might be, because you did the dumbest thing there is to do and you opened your mouth without an attorney there. You hear people say, oh, the attorneys are mouthpieces. That's exactly right. We speak for our clients, but the beautiful thing is what we say is not evidence against you. Nobody can go into court and say, oh, his attorney said. No. Only what you say can be used against you. And that is why you are foolish to open your mouth. You need to call an attorney when you think you're in trouble, when someone wants to question you, when any legal situation occurs that you are asked to make statements that could in any way be construed against your own self-interest. I do not recall any case where my client talked their way out of a problem. I can give you hundreds of cases where my client talked himself or herself into a problem. The best thing that happens is when clients call me up before anything happens, before an arrest occurs, before they talk to anyone, when they have an inkling of trouble and they call and say, Tom, here's what's going on. Here's where I think this might be going. Will you figure out what's up? And I get on the phone, call law enforcement, meet with them, find out exactly what's going on, and have saved hundreds of clients all sorts of time, money, energy, resources, and even time in jail, even potential criminal charges, because I intervened, figured out what the truth was, got it out there, and kept a mistake from being made. So, what do? You pick up the phone, you call me, you text me, you email me, you let me hear from you so I can help you. You do not open your mouth without the advice and consent of a trained attorney. It will almost always work against you.